All right, let's take the discussion forward on lending, particularly on the SME space, and an expert specialist company is joining us now. We have Mr. Shachindra Nath, the MD and Vice Chairman of UGRO Capital, who is joining us from the sidelines of his new report, which UGRO Capital, along with the DNB, have actually come out with. Shachindra ji, thank you very much for your time. Let's talk about how you are looking at a requirement of credit right now, especially as far as the MSME part go. And are there stresses? Are you seeing good demand?
So MSME credit demand is all pervasive. As I was saying that there is a 95 lakh crore of credit need for MSME. Only 20% of that is today formal credit. So which means there's roughly around 50 lakh crore of credit demand exists in India. So as you will see the MSME economy maturing, more and more small business getting more formal, the credit expansion for MSME for next 2-3 decades would always be there.
Right. So as far as SME is concerned, going forward, what are the big factors which are there on your radar? Because you have just come out with a very important note as well, along with the DNB. Talk to us about what is the ticket size, how are the demand actually panning out, and what kind of brackets is the demand particularly gaining, and also which sectors are you seeing heightened demand?
So as you know, UGRO focuses on 9 core sectors and 150 sub-sector. If you look at our DNB UGRO report, you will see that across all our sector, the ticket size for our MSME customer has been on an increasing trend. What it tells you that the confidence of small businesses to undertake higher amount of credit and expand their capacity is now coming with full force. So we across our sector of healthcare, education, food processing, hospitality, light engineering, electrical equipment manufacturing, auto component, chemical, micro enterprises, we continue to see not only incremental credit demand, but for existing customer ability to take more credit is happening with every passing day.
Okay. Finally, before we let you go, talk to us about what are your strategic plans as far as business grows right now.
We normally don't talk much about what would be. I would only say that our aspiration have always been that time has come that India needs one large small business lender. We have seen small big lenders or a sizable lender in consumer financing, second hand truck financing, tractor financing, other vehicle financing, gold loan companies. But when it comes to the MSME credit, there is not one single lender who you can talk about. And that is in terms of our taking 1% market share and expanding our business rapidly and try to solve this problem of credit and hope that we show the path for many other large lenders and small lenders to come into the fray and start providing credit to MSME. So that's our long-term objective.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us on the show today.